Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with OneDrive for cloud backups on Windows. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register with OneDrive for cloud backups on Windows, begin by ensuring you have a Microsoft account. If you don't have one, visit the Microsoft website to create a free account. Once you have your account, click on the Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen. In the search bar, type OneDrive and press Enter. Click on the OneDrive app that appears in the search results. A setup window will open, prompting you to enter your Microsoft account email address. Type in your email address and click Sign In. You will be asked to enter your password next. Type in your password and click Sign In again. If prompted, verify your identity using the method you chose when creating your account. Once verified, you'll see a welcome screen with an introduction to OneDrive. Click Next to proceed through the setup process. You'll now be asked to choose the location for your OneDrive folder. You can either accept the default location or click Change Location to customize it. After selecting the folder location, click Next. Next, you'll see a screen explaining how you can back up your files. Click Next again to continue. You will then have the option to sync specific folders and files. Choose the folders you want to back up to OneDrive and click Next. Finally, click Open My OneDrive folder to access your OneDrive storage. Your OneDrive account is now set up and ready for cloud backups. Feel free to drag and drop files into your OneDrive folder to start backing them up. Congratulations, you are now registered with OneDrive for cloud backups on Windows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.